Welcome to our tutorial on how to add an About Me section on Discord for PC with the latest update. Let's jump right in and make your profile stand out. First, open your web browser and navigate to discordapp.com. Once you're on the site, sign into your Discord account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your user picture and name. Right next to it is a little settings gear icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to access your user settings. After you click the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page. Look for the My Account section in the sidebar. Under My Account, click on Edit User Profile. This will open up the profile editing options. Now, you'll want to scroll down the user profile page until you see the About Me text box. This is where you can express yourself. Write a brief description about who you are, what you're into, or anything else you'd like to share with your friends and fellow Discord users. Once you've crafted the perfect About Me section, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've successfully added your About Me on Discord. Now your friends can learn more about you just by checking out your profile. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.